going to Pennsylvania. I've never been to PA before, and this is such a complete side note. We're going to get fireworks. Hallelujah, right? But can we talk about something? I just got back from camp a couple days ago, and the first time I've been in my room, because a lot's going on. Can we talk for a second? I came in my room like 2 days ago, and I didn't notice, because I haven't been in here with the door shut. Literally, so the fish food was on the floor, just all open, like the dog ate it. But then tell me why. I just looked at my doorknob. Let me show you. Hello? Okay. Anyway, that's random, but now we're gonna go. So come along for the road trip. Look, it's like Christmas, except everything is explosive. Yeah. Hold on. Look at my stuff so far. This is the little baby store that we're going to before we go to the actual bigger place. 'Tis the time.
Yeah. I remember which ones you bought. I don't think it really matters because you're gonna light them all.
Altogether, I probably spent like $200, maybe give or take, but they spent $1,500. So, and altogether, they spent like $4,000. Literally got a bag of t-shirts, basically all free. Are you ready for a firework haul? We had like a bunch of coupons and stuff. I think my total ended up being roughly between both places, probably like $200, give or take. Big fountain. I love the fountains. So big fountain. That's one of the ones Aaron bought with his deal, but it's mine. I got another fountain. Dragon Tears fountain. Solar 19-shot eclipse thing. I bought one of these lanterns that you like, the ones where you light the middle of them and then they go up. I've never had one, but I've always seen people light them off and I've wanted one. Power Play 25 shots. Wall of Willows. This one I'm excited for. The Skeeters one. This one. That's what we got from Phantom. Also, I bought Rally Car. Green Hornet things. You light them and they like spin up in the air. Giant pack of 14-inch sparklers. Then I got this. It's a sunflower one and it spins and shoots fire everywhere. And with like all the coupons and the deals and stuff, we got a lot of Phantom t-shirts. I got like 6 of them. So I got this one, which is by far my favorite. If you can read it. This one. Phantom for President. Then this one also says boom because Dad got some too. So there's more than... Why does everyone stay interrupting me? There's more than 6. This is another one. Same thing for my friend because I figured she would like it. Here comes the boom. This one's Aaron's because I let him pick one out. Because it was buy one, get 2 free. So here they are. And they got other stuff, but this is all the stuff that I bought. Aaron also got, almost knocked stuff over. My bad. Big booms. And I got Roman candles. And then a different type of Roman candle. Tiny booms.
Oh, they're definitely getting in trouble. Hey, get over here.
Look at me. I love me. It is Grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
No.
Show that woman.
No.
Yes.
Wow.
Anyhow.
Wave.
Hi. I'm driving now.
I feel like
Don't do this.
you're wearing the same shirt you wore in another one of my videos. Here's my little glasses for the little pride parade. Anyway, I shall see you when we get there. Look at all them flags. I want a flag that size.
Okay. There was one, but you didn't.
There's the idea. Oh my God. You're seeing this?
Yeah.
Drag queens. Oh my God, I love drag queens.
Well, there they are.
I know. Literally watching RuPaul last night. Look at the rainbow sidewalk. Look at them. They're so pretty. I have changed my clothes because it's hot and I think people were reading my shirt wrong. They were thinking it says I like men and I looked homophobic. So, but I got a gay fan. You got a gay fan too. And I got a little heart that says I love. No, that doesn't say I love you, it says love. And then we got little gay flags, except they're like gay ally flags instead of gay people flags, but it's okay. It's okay.
It's free.
It was free. And then they gave us a bubbly drink, which is like, I don't like that, but thank you. Either way, it's super hot, so we about to cool down. Look at the little face.
Hello, baby.
We're Freyja. What? We're going Walmart? We're taking her. We're gonna go get her a little birthday hat and a little neckband thing that says happy birthday. Frog in a cart. Frog in a cart. Frog in a cart. You would look fantastic in a little hat. In a little hat. She doesn't like the hat. You like the bow? You like the bow? We can hook it on our collar. Birthday girl. Oh, you're so cute. Would you wear that hat? I guess not. You're so cute. She looks like she's having a great birthday. Look at you. You're a glittery girl. You got blue glitter all over you. They have no birthday clothes, so we're going to go to the baby clothes section and see if we can find something to put on her. Oh my God, we could get her a backpack. Look. It's actually way harder to find stuff than I thought that it would be. This is the one that we're getting, and it's got little reflective butterflies on it. And it's a little tank top, so her arms won't be cramped, but she likes it. See, Frog? Frog, you like it? Here I am with the birthday girl for a little birthday interview. Look at her pin. It's so cute. We have the shirt that we're gonna put on her later, but oh my gosh. She's anxious right now because they're out of the car and she doesn't like when people leave the car. So Frog, hey, I'll just get back here with you. So, how would you say it is being 1 year old now? She loves it. Do you feel grown? Thank you for the insightful message.
What is it, Frey? Freyja.
Okay, I was filming that.
Freyja.
Oh, yeah. Yum. That's for the birthday frog.
Happy birthday to Frog. He's so cute.
Happy birthday to you. Well, the candle.
Freyja.
Go to her nose.
She's happy, look. She loves it. She put it in her nose.
More.
I am. I'm waiting to... Here, come over here. She's trying to eat the cone already. Happy birthday. Look at her, look at her. I love it. Look at her eyes. To eat the cone now. We just look like people who are obsessed with the dog. Like we're both filming her. You're gonna be famous.
Hey, we are those people.
We are.
Bite that.
What is this? This is like a wafer.
Get that.
What are you doing?
Have it.
Eat the cone. Here.
It's less than 2 minutes.
You like your shirt? The little butterflies and your little birthday pen. Are you happy?
Are you happy? Oh, look at the little tail.
Look at the little frog laying.
Look at the little tail. You're happy.
What you got? Can I have it? Let's see if she gets anxious. Hey, can I have it? Go get it. Good girl.